This vlog will complete all about Rangana Betta.
Rangana Betta is a less crowded place in Chikmagalur. You must visit this place when you come to Chikmagalur without miss. The more detail about the spot will be in description. Please check it out.
This is the small Hanuman temple which is located at the entrance of the temple. The steps to peak starts from here. It takes 200 steps to reach the peak. This temple having the history of 1000 plus years. This temple having the idol of Lord Vishnu. For more such content, please subscribe to this channel and follow me on my Instagram page. The more detail about this place and Google Map link will be available in the description of this video. Please check it out and please subscribe to my channel. This unexplored place is located just 20 km away from Chikmagalur. You can enjoy sunrise and sunset at this point. These are the two big rocks where cave is formed. The way to the cave is just beside these two big rocks. This is the way to cave where just beside the rocks. Just go in. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and follow for more on Instagram.